Good afternoon, guys. Not a cloud in the sky here at Unity in Brean Sands. March the 3rd, it's a Monday. I want to show you something new to our showground. Sun is up. What we've got here is a Victory Bronte. It's a 35 by 12 two bed. It's 2024 and 59,995. Now that includes site fees for new customers for the 2025 season. Like I said, it's 35 foot long and a two bed. I just cannot get enough of that sun. Oh, let's get you inside. Straight into the van, super modern, beautiful kitchen. There we are. They've really thought this one out. There's our boiler and some storage for shoes, integrated fridge and freezer. I love the colour of this kitchen. Take a look. Nice wraparound. Nice lounge area. Pull out double bed underneath there. Nice L-shaped sofa. We got our dining table. Place there for our media centre and our TV. I'm sure you'd agree, this thing is letting the light pour in. Loads of windows, allowing that beautiful day in. Look at that. Oh, let's get you through to the bedrooms. So 2 bedrooms, 35 foot by 12. There's bedroom number 1. Is our twin with storage. There's a radiator in every room. Nice and warm, this one. There's bathroom. Brand spanking new, 2024. Site fees for 2025 included. Lovely master, look at that. Loads of space in here. Now, accents of that green colour throughout the van. I absolutely love it. There's our storage in the master and our vanity area. Yes, that door is en suite. 59,995. This is a bargain. You know, those site fees are included. It's going to get you access to the pool, steam, sauna, membership to our gym, 2 entertainment venues over there. You can see this is the showroom now, but there's our pool complex and fun fair. Those guys are cranking up, ready for Easter. Beautiful van. Give me a call, Simon, 07973 620 351. Ask me about this and any other van. Such lovely flow. Look at it. Brand spanking new, under 60 grand. On pitch, site fees included. Have a great day, everyone. I'm going to. And don't forget, give me a call about this Bronte or any other vans that you want to look at. Take care, guys.